Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
My name is Davik Devangan, and today I am going to share you my wonderful trip that I have experienced in my life. So there was a bright sunny day when me and my family started our journey from Raipur to Delhi. Uh, we had planned that after reaching Delhi, we will go to Shimla through bus. So when we reached the railway station, we got to know that our train was delayed for 10 minutes. So we spent our sum of time in the railway station platform only, and then our train came, and then we went to our train. And I was very excited at that time because the train was about to start. Soon the train also got started, and soon the train also got started, and my happiness became even more better. So we all took God's name so that our trip goes very well. And after some time, I captured the beautiful view outside the train in my phone. Then we did the lunch which my mom had made in the home for us to eat in the train. After eating a lunch, we felt a little bit bored, so we played games like Uno, Ludo, and chess. After playing the games, there was evening. So in the evening, we ate our snacks. So in the night, after doing our dinner, we slept. And in the next morning, we reached to our destination, Delhi. So as we had planned that we will go to Shimla by bus, we went into the bus, and then after a few hours we finally reached Shimla. And after reaching Shimla, we went to our hotel, stayed there for some time, freshened up and get relaxed, and then we got ready to start our wonderful trip of Shimla. So on the first day of our trip, we decided to explore the local Shimla, and our first destination was the Ridge. So when we went to the Ridge, there was a wonderful view of mountains, and we took our photos there, and there was also a lot of benches there. So we sat there and relaxed for some time. So after that, we went to the Scandal Point. That Scandal Point is very famous for taking pictures, and many people like that Scandal Point. So we went there, we enjoyed the beautiful view, and in the Scandal Point, our photos became even more better than before. After that, we saw the huge Christ Church, which was yellow colored, and it was such a great architecture in the Ridge. And after exploring the Ridge, we went to the Mall Road. When we went to the Mall Road, we did a walk for some time, and then we saw a shop, and then went into the shop, and then we purchased many things like new clothes and handicrafts, and we also purchased things for our loved ones. And after coming back from the shop, we felt hungry. So to reduce our hungriness, we went to a local cafe which was only in Mall Road. We ate local food of Shimla, and we had listened that there was in Himachal there is a famous food known as Siddu. So we also ate Siddu in the cafe, and it was mainly salty, but it was also a little bit sweet. So after eating, we booked a taxi and went to Jakku Temple. Jakku Temple is especially known for Jakku Temple is especially known for the temple of Lord Hanumanji. And when we went there, we saw a large statue of Lord Hanuman. We prayed there and got blessings of Lord Hanumanji. And after that, we were so tired, so we went to our hotel by taxi that we had booked earlier. So after that, we went to our hotel. We did our dinner in the hotel's restaurant. After that, we slept in the night because we also had to get up early in the next morning to visit more places. So then we woke up early in the morning. Then we decided to go to hills places like Kufri and Green Valley. So first we decided to go to Kufri, and when we booked our bus and went to Kufri, we saw very huge mountains there. They were way bigger than I expected. There we felt very peace, and the look of mountains were very good. And there were also a small river flowing. I enjoyed there really. After that we went to do the activities in Kufri. Activities like riding animals. We rode animals like yak and horse. And horse riding is one of my favorite animal riding. And after that, we went to do go-karting. It was my first time when I did go-karting, and I did a race in go-karting. So it was a wonderful experience for me to do karting. And after doing the karting, we went to the mini zoo. In the mini zoo, we saw different types of animals like Himalayan birds of different colors. We saw bears, deers, and etc. And after coming from the mini zoo, we went to the Green Valley. Green Valley is famous for its natural vibe, and I also felt that natural vibe. And there was thick forest, and there was waterfalls, and there were rolling hills. After that, we sat in the garden. There was a garden in Green Valley. We sat there for some time, and after sitting for some time, we went to our hotel again. We did our dinner, and after doing our dinner, there was a balcony in our room. So we spent some of our time in the balcony also. We took photos in the balcony. We enjoyed the view of Shimla, and after that we slept. And in the next morning, we checked out from the hotel, and then after checking out, we went to Delhi again by a bus, and because there was a train from Delhi to Raipur, and after catching the train, we went to our home again. And this is how we ended our beautiful journey from Raipur to Shimla, and it was such a great experience for me. That trip was very refreshing and relaxing because of the beautiful greeny environment like mountains, waterfalls, and beautiful gardens. And this is really an unforgettable trip. Thank you, everyone.
It was marvelous reporting by you, and I like the energy and enthusiasm you showed there. And I like your word of choice that you gave there. So my question was there, during the journey you faced lots of fun moments, enjoyable situations. You visited mountains, temples, and lots of places. So
reporting, and my question is that you said that you went you went Delhi by train. So can you tell how was your train journey of that trip?
Train journey was very, because in train we can enjoy the view, we can spend our time with our family, and we can also stay. I don't know the specific name of train, but I know the color of train. It was red because when I went there last year, so I don't know the name of train.
At which time you are in train? How much time?
I visited Shimla.
You're asking to you, did you go any educational tour from your school?
From my school, I haven't
did you feel that Delhi is a very polluted city, state?
Uh, Very nice architecture.
Sir, your reporting was really nice. I totally remembering on my mind that you are telling the things well is about the your horse riding and each and everything. I was
Obstacles which you faced in your trip? There was not any obstacles like in my go-karting because it was, I can say that in local place